Can we solve this SAT math problem using DESMOS inbuilt DESMOS calculator in the SAT, or we have to do the trig solution? Let me know in the comments below. Let's go. So what's the value of tan 9 pi by 3? So we're going to take a look at that. I'm going to put that whole thing into the DESMOS calculator, which is inbuilt in the SAT, as you know, but we do it in this way. Y equals tan 92 pi divided by 3. So we write it as a function, but we know there's no x here, so this is going to be a constant. So you see the answer that the DESMOS has given us is this line that is a straight line, which is the y value being negative 1.73205. So for all so now we have to interpret basically what the meaning of this is. For all values of x, you are getting y value equal to negative 1.3205. So that is going to be on step 1. We input that. Step 2, we interpret the graph. Y equals minus 1.73205. So important thing is recognize that 1.73 is root 3. So it's essentially negative root 3. So that's going to be our choice here. Right here is negative root 3. So the only thing we have to remember is to know the fact that 1.732 is root 3. So DESMOS has given us the answer right here as for all values of x, y equals negative root 3. All right, so let's go ahead and see the trig solution here and see if we get the same answer, or is it simpler or more difficult. So let's go ahead and start with the trig solution. Step 1, we're going to simplify that. What we want to do is try to write this into full circles, or 2 pi's. So 2 pi, we know 46 divided by 3 times of 2 pi is 92 pi by 3. 2 pi is common. So let's just go ahead and see what 46 by 3 is. When we divide that, we get 15 1/3 long division. So that means we have 15 full circles and then 1/3 full circle. So let's start with the unit circle stub. We know we have to start here at this location. So we go 15 times and we come back here. And then we have to go 1/3 of the full circle. 1/3 of full circle is 1/3 of 2 pi, which is 1/3 of 360, 120 degrees. So that's 90 and 30. So we'll go to 120 degrees here, which is co-terminal angle being the 60 degrees right here. So let's go ahead and write our cosine theta. Sine theta, we know cosine is negative in the second quadrant here, so it's negative half. And root 3 by 2 is sine theta. So now we can go ahead and set up our tangent. Tan 92 pi by 3 is sine 92 pi by 3 divided by cosine 92 pi by 3. We have just said that this whole thing was 15 circles and 1/3 up to here, the co-terminal angle being this 60 degrees. So we're going to write it sine being root 3 by 2 divided by cosine being negative half. Okay, for this particular spot. Okay, so now we can flip this over. So this will be root 3 by 2 times negative 2. So cancel the 2. So again, you get root 3 as a final answer, which is choice A. All right, hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments which solution is easier. Have a nice day. Bye.